How to make highlights on Instagram? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Instagram, into your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you gotta do is move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Right here you can see that I have already added one of the highlights. If you want to add more, then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Archive. Make sure that you move into Stories Archive. Now move into any of the photo or the video that you would want to add to highlight. At the bottom, you can see the option of highlight. Click on it. If you want to create a new one, then click on New. Give the name for your highlights. And then click on Add. And there you go, new highlights has been added to your feed. If you want to add more of the highlights, then simply click on Highlight at the bottom. Choose the specific highlight in which you want to add this photo. And there you go, this picture has been added to highlights. Now if you go back to your feed, you will be able to see new highlights that has been added. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.